Hello all, introducing The Right to Repair by Tai-Chen, Colin, Cameron, Jay, and Peyton. I will be talking about the problem with the right to repair and propose a solution following a demo. Before I introduce what the right to repair is, I want to discuss the current issues that arise that relate to this topic. The definition of planned obsolescence is a strategy that ensures the current version of a product will become out of date or useless within a known period. Why it becomes out of date or useless depends on the manufacturer. Our products are not built to last. They are not durable. Manufacturers continue to release new software updates, limiting long-term support for previous products, and getting consumers to buy the next best technology that is supported. Electronics are just becoming harder to fix. This could be because technology is getting more complex or a problem with design. But one of the main reasons is that manufacturers have made it harder to repair. They don't provide the necessary documentation or access to parts for third-party repair cafes or independents to refer to. So just buying a new device is just easier and in some cases, cheaper. Our stuff used to be made to last, but now it's made to last only a couple of years. The problem with e-waste is that we aren't providing the necessary means to dispose or recycle our materials. Most of our e-waste ends up in landfills or shipped to other countries where it's burned for scraps by kids. The waste is polluting drinking water and harming ecosystems across the globe. It's time for us to fix this e-waste problem. So, what is the right to repair? It's the ability for consumers to have access to repair and modify their own devices. Repair should be affordable and accessible to everyone, meaning manufacturers will provide the necessary documentation and parts to repair our items. Instead of throwing away a device, we can fix it. We can get out of this toxic, throwaway economy mindset. Current solutions that arise are repair cafes, which are volunteer organizations that repair household electronics and mechanical devices, which are usually organized by local residents. People are working towards legislation that gives the right to us, the consumers. Once we buy it, we should own it. There are current platforms informing people of the right to repair movement and getting them involved locally in repair cafes. So our solution is to combine all of these ideas and make repair easier for an average person. So here's our demo. On the home page, users will get a rough idea of our organization. They can be directed to different links that interest them, like repair cafes, our how-to guides, and etc. Going to our how-to guides, this is where we plan to populate this with various how-to guides on repair. Individuals will be welcome to add a guide if they wish. And here's an example repair guide for screen repair. So going to our repair cafe section, this will be used so users can input their current location and find a local repair cafes or independent users that are open to fixing your items, which will be populated in this white box here. Finally, the community section will be expanded so users can log into their accounts and ask questions or have discussions with the general repair community. That concludes our demo. While we can make efforts to improve the frequency of repair, the issues of planned obsolescence and electronic waste will not be anywhere near a solution until there is legislation to either ban or severely disincentivize the practices that keep using these things profitable. That wraps up this presentation. Thanks for listening.